right, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into the Shannon Sharpe drama. All right. I just got on Instagram. I'm gonna see if it's on YouTube because I don't know. I mean, not Instagram. I got on Twitter. Let me see if it's on here because I don't want some wild stuff to pop off. Oh, he already talking about it. That's crazy. He already talking about it. He just did a video on it. Shoot. I mean, as soon as he put out like a little small section, we'll probably listen. But let's check this out. She said that shit was so deep. Oh, he slapped that ass. So from what it sounds like right here in this video, is he probably giving them slow strokes. That's why she said it's so deep, bro. Probably giving them deep strokes. Will my stream get taken down for this? Why? It's just the audio. It's not like anything's happening. Yo, they making out now. He probably flipped her ass over. It tastes so good. Wait, what? Oh shit, she was giving him head now? Wait, what? What the hell? Oh snap. I know that there's more. I saw that there was another video, bro. It was another video because it was like it was like 2 minutes or something, I think. Well, hold on. Let's look at this. We might have to look at the live. Hold on. Is this it? Is this the same thing? Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Put this dick in here. Right there. There you go, baby. There you go, baby. There you go, baby. That's my Michelle. That's my Michelle.
Yo! Golly, bro, that dude grunting like a gorilla, dude. Shit. Yo, what the? Hey, that boy trying not to bust, yo. Hey, he sound like he's really close to the phone. How does he not? He don't see this? He sound like he's close to the phone. How do you not see this, bro? What are you looking at? He breathing all into the phone. That boy growling. You think he did it on purpose? Why? Y'all said who has the full video? But because people called him gay. Man, this dude is fucking close to 60 years old, bro. That stuff is childish to do something like this just because people said he was gay. No, I don't believe that. I don't believe that whatsoever. Y'all said who has the video? shit. Y'all said it was who was it? Lovely T? Okay. Is this on YouTube or no? Lovely
Hey, you guys.
Thai TV. Doesn't look like she got it.
Hey, you guys. It's your girl T.
That stuff is wild, bro. That is wild. Trying to prove he's not gay. Why do y'all think that he's trying to do that? To prove he's not gay? That stuff is so childish. Said Cat Williams responds. Oh, snap. Okay, hold on. Let me see.
I'm extremely embarrassed that a very, very private, intimate situation, the audio can be heard. And I'm extremely disappointed in myself. 5 minutes before I came on, phone rings.
What kind of cheap ass 4K is this?
It's Cat Williams. What's up? The first thing out of his mouth, guess what he said, Ocho?
Oh, wow.
You ain't gay today?
Hey, listen.
I said, man.
Hey, listen.
Come on, Cat. He's like,
and this is.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, no, I wanted to see that, bro. I don't give a damn about what all these other people saying. Man, this is why whenever it comes to stuff like this, I always try to make sure I get like the full video or whatever. I don't like these channels that does this type of shit. Even though I'm trying to do it myself, which is crazy. But let's look at the live, bro. Let me look at this damn live. Will we get in trouble for doing this? I don't think I ever seen anybody do this.
with Rose Sparks, guys can get more confidence in bed, more satisfaction for their partners. Your favorite that guy is your favorite number 85, the route runner extraordinary. Thank you so very much.
The time is a death in the family. Never thought I'd see the day where you, Unc, would pull something so out of character, you know, let's be honest, a little unprofessional.
Yeah.
I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm thoroughly disappointed because I hold you to a much higher standard, the type of standard that you just tried to chastise me for just Saturday. So this has really sent me into a complete shock. As someone who always tries to keep everything that he does top tier, from top to bottom, especially when it comes to life, and all that you do in work and being a professional, it's disheartening to see the tables turn like this. I wasn't even sure if I was going to show up tonight after night. Honestly, I wasn't even sure if I was going to show up tonight. I was feeling a little too betrayed as a coworker. But the people want what's best for us as a show.
You know what's interesting is I would expect something like this to come from Ocho, not from Shannon. How did this even happen though? Like, did he really post this on purpose?
As a duo.
Have I seen the Marlon Wayans interview?
And
I've seen parts.
I had to show up. And,
I actually wanted to talk about that whole thing.
I understand. Things happen. Mistakes happen. Life happens. I was afforded a second chance at life. And as my partner, I'm going to give you the grace that I was given and give you a second chance as well.
Well, I appreciate that.
What the hell?
I'm going to touch on what
that?
you just said in a few minutes, Ocho. There were an event that happened today. Obviously, I'm embarrassed. Someone that is extremely, extremely private, and to have one of your most intimate details, the audio heard for the entire world to hear. I'm embarrassed for a number of reasons. People count on Shannon, Shay Shay Media, Club Shay Shay Nightcap.
I don't know why people be saying this dude is gay or whatever. I don't know why, but I do like that bracelet. Even though that bracelet looked somewhat feminine, I do like that bracelet.
ESPN, there are a lot of people that count on Shannon to be professional at all times. and I always try to be professional at all times.
That's one of the things I'm worried about. How is Disney and ESPN gonna react to this, bro? Even though it was only the audio, and I mean, like, he's super popular. Like, he doesn't even need ESPN. He has his own show. He has 2 of his own shows. He's straight. So how would they go about that? Would they keep him? Because, I mean, y'all remember what happened to the whole Paul Pierce situation when Paul Pierce went Instagram Live. But the thing is, Paul Pierce was on the camera doing some stuff that he wasn't supposed to be doing. And that's one of the reasons he got fired. And it was also some other stuff with Paul Pierce that that equaled up to him getting fired as well. That was in-house that they don't really tell you about, but they gave you a little bit of detail. But I wonder exactly how they're going to do this. I'm thinking they're probably going to keep him just because he's like so popular, bro. Like he gets a lot of views for them when it comes to First Take.
Even when I'm behind closed doors, I still try to remain a level of professional, although I'm in the privacy of my own home.
Paul Pierce was at like a club or something. And
I'm very
I think he had like a
disappointed in
stripper or
myself.
whatever, and I think he was smoking weed.
Not for the act. I think there are millions and billions of people of consenting age that engage in activities. But to have your most intimate detail on the audio to be heard, I'm disappointed in myself. I let a lot of people down. My kids, I reached out to them. I called my sister. My friends, obviously my friends reached out. But guys, this was not staged. Came in, I threw my phone on the bed, gazed in an activity. I did not know IG Live. I've never been on IG Live. I've never turned IG Live on. So I don't know how it works. And so
I don't believe that. With him doing all this stuff that he's doing, he's never once went on IG Live. I don't believe that. I think he might have went on IG Live before. He just doesn't remember. Because it's like, bro, you got the nightcap. You are really involved in social media with your Club Shay Shay show. You got ESPN. You had the freaking Fox thing with Skip Bayless. You've been really involved in social media and stuff. You telling me you have not once went on IG Live? And then it's like you threw your phone on the bed. Let me see. How do you do this? So I press the plus sign. Okay. So you throw your phone on the bed, right? You have Instagram. You press the plus sign, and then you have to scroll over to the live. So what the hell were you doing with your phone? Maybe you was already on Instagram. Maybe you was taking pictures of her before y'all got into the act. You know, just so you can remember some stuff. Maybe you was recording with your phone with y'all doing some stuff. And then, you know, you holding your phone a certain type of way, going like, oh, shit, oh, damn, oh, man. And then you didn't know, and then you just threw your phone. But it's like, I don't know how that works. Now, I've never been on IG Live, so I don't know how that stuff works, but I'm just saying.
All of a sudden, my other phone is going off, and people are calling me FaceTime that I've never talked to a day in my life on FaceTime. And it didn't, I'm like, why are y'all calling me FaceTime? And after a while, Jamie Fritz, who's been my longtime marketing guy, he finally got through to me, and he says, Shannon, you on IG Live? I'm like, doing what? You know, what am I on IG Live for? I ain't hit no IG Live button. He says, they can hear. I'm like, so now, Ocho, you know, I say ask for patience. He said they can hear. And now I'm starting to get agitated again because you called me and say I'm on IG Live when I know I didn't click myself on IG Live. And he said they can hear me. I said, hear me doing what? He said, it sounds like you were having sex.
Maybe the girl did it. Maybe she did it. Maybe he feels so comfortable with her that she can get into his phone, and maybe she did it. And maybe one of the reasons why he couldn't see it, because it looked like it was towards the end of the bed, because you could see like a nightstand or whatever. So maybe it was like under the pillow, but you could see like the nightstand. Maybe she did it.
Man, my heart sank. It dropped. And obviously, I run my accounts, but Jordan, being the good Samaritan, the good soldier that he is,
always blame
Jordan
the woman. I'm not blaming the woman. I'm just saying.
I didn't even know it was on.
I'm just saying, bro, who could have done it? Like it either could have been him or it could have been the woman. It's not like they had a third person in the room. That's what I'm saying. I'm not like saying, oh yeah, let me go ahead. You can catch him in a lie. Where was this conversation on the live? I don't know what you mean. I'm sorry, but I'm just trying to think of all the different shit for me to understand how he didn't know this shit was going on. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to make up explanations, bro. You said they're gonna make fun of this on SNL. I mean, we'll see.
Jordan cut it off. Jordan put the message up. And then after I called my agent, the agency, I called ESPN. After I just got this good, tell them the truth. I said, I just got to tell them the truth. My phone wasn't hacked. It wasn't a prank. It was me being a healthy, active male. I mean, y'all thought I was bull jiving. Hey, I'll get it in. Real talk. Hey, Joe. See, I don't, man. I'll be lying. Okay.
No, we heard you, bro.
Come on, man.
He sparks hard. I hit one early this morning.
He looked like the type of dude
on,
that
man.
growl and stuff when he
all
has sex
sincerity.
too. So it's cool. We got
I'm
confirmation.
extremely embarrassed that a very, very private, intimate situation, the audio can be heard. And I'm extremely disappointed in myself. 5 minutes before I came on, phone rings. It's Cat Williams. What's up? The first thing out of his mouth, guess what he said, Ocho?
Oh, wow.
You ain't gay today?
Hey, listen.
I said, man.
Hey,
I
listen.
said, come on, Cat. He's
Listen,
like,
and this is the funny thing about it. Now you remember all the people talking trash and saying whatever they had to say, trying to assassinate your character, that
Yeah.
you might be this, you might be this, or whatever it may be.
I don't know where they got this from though. Like I don't follow along with a lot of this, but it's just like to me, I'm like, where did y'all get this from in the first place? Just because he got out of a truck a certain type of way and he was wearing a bag a certain type of way and the way his outfit was looking, y'all think, oh yeah, that dude gay. Or maybe because one time he went on ESPN, he had hella makeup on. Like, I don't know what other stuff made y'all think that he was gay. Just because he's wearing super tight clothes. Like, The Rock wears super tight clothes. So, I don't get it. And then what's crazy to me is, yeah, he wore a jacket over his chest like this with that real skin tight outfit. So it looked kind of feminine. But a lot of hood niggas be wearing certain freaking bags and stuff across they chest and shit. Like, apparently that's the fashion now. And to me, I don't give a damn how you wear it, or if you wear a skin tight outfit, or if you wear a baggy outfit like this. Bro, if you got a bag like this across yourself, to me, that shit just look feminine regardless. I really don't care. I understand that we've accepted the whole like fanny pack thing down here. To me, like that stuff looks all right, but like the way that y'all got it across from yourselves right here, I'll say this. It depends on the bag, because if you have just like a regular fanny pack, because I remember when everybody was raving over the whole FUBU thing, when people was trying to bring FUBU back, or the whole champion thing. A lot of people was having like full champion fits or FUBU fits, and people was having like the FUBU bags across their chest and shit. And that stuff, it looked cool. But I understand that he had a certain type of bag where it did look like a purse. And to me, I can understand that, because that's what I'm saying. Like, it's a difference between the bag. So if you have like a type of bag like what he was wearing and you got it across your chest, then yeah, I'm gonna be like, yeah, you look kind of feminine. But if you have like that fanny pack or whatever they had, to me, I'm like, it's straight. That's cool, whatever. You said I'm not calling him gay, just stating what other people have said about him. I think it stems from him hanging out with his gay stylist. Oh, he has a gay stylist? You know how the black community do. He had been addressing those rumors for a long time. I mean, what's wrong with having a gay stylist, bro? The dude knows how to dress him up a certain type of way or the way that he wants him to be dressed up. So, I mean, what's wrong with that? I don't even really know. I don't even really think it matters if you have a gay stylist, a straight stylist, a male stylist, or a female stylist. But yeah, I understand what you're saying, Jazz. Yeah, I know how the black community can be.
So hell, I mean, I'm sitting back, I'm thinking, well, here, hey, it was a goddamn Michelle. It wasn't a Michael. Huh? Really? It wasn't a Michelle. It was, it wasn't a Michael. It was a Michelle.
Yeah.
So, and we human, we human.
Yeah.
Now, something that we all partake in. We all partake in horizontal and vertical activity. That's everybody. That's everybody in the chat.
Horizontal or vertical activity.
Now, what we don't do unless you are a
What's your favorite, horizontal or vertical? Mine is vertical.
or if you're in that field of porn and OnlyFans, and at times, this is why I always tell you, Unc, you need to evolve with the times. Now, you're not very good at technology.
I don't do anything. I
You're
don't
not
turn
very
on
good at
anything.
technology. So you at times would, well, you've done it to me. Like you hit your phone and your butt dial me by accident and don't even know
Yeah.
you're doing it.
Yeah,
So
true.
I can understand where the mistake came in at.
So it sounds like he don't lock his phone. That's what it sounds like. Because how can you still butt dial somebody with these type of phones? Like how do you even do that? I've never butt dialed anybody with this phone at all. So you probably just don't have your phone locked. That's probably what it is.
So again, I was upset, but then I also remembered that you're not very good, or you're not very
You was upset, bro. I seen your tweet, bro. This dude was laughing, and he said she sounds familiar. That's what he said in his tweet. See, he said she sounds familiar and had laughing emojis. What are you talking about? You was upset. This dude played too damn much.
technically savvy with phones and computer equipment, all that stuff. So I gave you a little grace, but I was still a little upset. I was a little hurt. But the fact that it was a Michelle and not a Michael, that's my dog.
What the hell?
It's never been.
That-
It's
that's
never
my
been a
dog.
Michael. I think the
Yeah.
thing is, Ocho, for me, is that my
Yes,
thing
sir.
is and I immediately after it happened and I'm driving
Yes,
and
sir.
I'm thinking to myself, I just remember everything my grandfather, my grandmother said. They say, "Boy, you messed it up. Now
Mhm.
clean it up."
Yes, sir.
And so, what I really hate is when people have to answer questions for Shannon Sharpe.
Mm.
Ever since I've been able to talk, I've been able to answer questions. My family, my friends, you are gonna have to. You got to ask, man, what was Unc doing? Why did he do that? What happened, Ocho? Where
Yes, sir.
was he?
Right.
My sister, my mom, my brother, my kids, people that shouldn't have to answer for Shannon. Shannon's grown.
Yeah.
Shannon's 56.
Yeah.
Still get it in, y'all see. But anyway, that's
Oh my god, bro.
I'm just saying, Ocho. I'm just saying, Ocho. I'm just saying, Ocho.
Hey,
It
listen,
is what it
Silverback
is.
gorilla
Listen,
head
hey,
ass,
listen,
bro.
you talk about you was here when you was well. Well, shit, ain't nothing wrong with your boy. You talk about your hips. Ain't nothing wrong with your hips.
I told you, ain't nothing slow about Unc but his walk. I can't move like I once could,
Yes, sir.
but the hip's good.
But that
The
boy
hips-
still
the
can
hips
whine and
solid.
grind, though.
Yeah.
They gonna the doctor told me they'll last 50 years. They said them hips will still be good when you gone.
Yes, sir.
But it's tough,
What's
obviously,
good,
being in a
Osley?
situation like that because that's something that I've never been in. I never in my wildest dreams,
Mhm.
even like, man, what could possibly happen to you, Unc, that would make you the most embarrassed? This never appeared on my radar.
Yeah.
It never appeared on my radar. But the fact that in the process of that, you hurt people.
Yeah.
That's you embarrassed people.
Yeah, you
And
heard me.
I try to tell you, I say, Ocho, man, we gotta have that look.
I wanna
there
see,
have to be a certain level of professionalism.
I want to see how long they're going to talk about this because I don't want to watch their whole live or whatever because I think I might get in trouble for doing that. But let's see exactly how long they talk about this. Let me speed it up just a little bit.
At all times.
Yeah, that's the word. That's the key word right there. Because you got on me. You got on me good about professionalism.
Yeah,
But again,
Okay,
this is where the
so
grace comes
that's
in.
probably why Ocho is getting on him a certain type of way because of that whole thing with him getting on him about professionalism. All right, so he's just trying to give him with the same energy.
And news sites and agencies. Man, will y'all start reaching out? I know what y'all trying to do. Y'all trying to look see who I follow and who follow me and try to put 2 and 2 together. Y'all involving people that ain't got ish to do with this.
Yeah, and I saw somebody
Y'all
on
not gonna
Twitter
figure it out?
talking about they already found out who the woman was and shit, and just weird. Like, you really spent your whole time trying to find out who the girl was. Like, come on, bro. Like, just leave it alone.
Oh, not.
Right.
But what y'all can do, y'all can get on this row.co/nightcap and get $15 off your first order. That's what y'all can do. But you don't bring people. If you have definitive proof and you want to reach out and they have a conversation with you, okay, that's fine. But to arbitrarily just call people because her name might be Michelle or her name might be Nichelle or her name might be, come on now, be better than that. Don't involve people. Y'all ain't call me. Call me. But when you involve people that doesn't have anything to do with it, that's why I have the problem with. But look, like I said, Ocho, I'm sorry I put you in that situation because I know you're gonna get. I mean, the jokes are gonna come. You're gonna have to answer questions, man. Man, you think Unc did that on purpose? You think that was staged? Hell no. Nah.
I mean, listen,
Unc might do some stage. Unc might do some stuff for pranking, but that ain't one of them.
Yeah. Most definitely. I mean,
they won't do that.
Yeah, the jokes are flying. Obviously, I'm not sure if you've seen Instagram, if you've seen Twitter. The jokes are flying. The jokes are funny. Hey, they getting on you, boy. I'm talking about funny. I was on a plane catching up to what was happening. And boy, one thing about Twitter and Black Twitter and their creativity, boy, listen, if you want to laugh, if anybody was having a bad day today, scroll through goddamn Twitter. Boy, there's some funny shit on there, boy. It's some funny stuff.
Yeah, I've been getting on Twitter a lot more lately, bro. I'm trying to build the Twitter up. All right, let me see. Are they still talking about it here?
Want people to speculate what they think happened because that's how stuff. You know, Ocho, there's an African proverb.
Okay, so they've been talking about. So they legit talked about this whole thing for an hour. I'm not about to sit here and listen to them talk because it's like, what else? What else can you really talk about? You're just gonna be repeating yourself throughout the whole video. Just wanted to hear a little bit about that. That's fine. Y'all could probably check that out yourselves. Like I said, I'm not about to get in trouble for watching their stuff because I haven't watched their stuff. You know, every channel is different. And I really don't have to sit here and watch that whole thing, bro.